Hey Bubble Babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany, welcome. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We are turning into the Bubble Queen. That's the name that you guys gave me, and that is what I feel like right now. We're becoming her. So if you guys want to see my last Halloween tutorial for this year, then go ahead and keep watching, and happy Halloween. Okay, starting off with the Morphe 35C palette, I'm just taking this blank shade to go ahead and set my eyelid. And then taking this pinky color as my transition shade. And I did start off with the eyes because I did already do my base. It's just my regular foundation routine. And now I'm going in with this purple color to add some definition. Now, because we did already have our base on, I wanted to lay down some powder just in case we get any fallout. And now I'm just mapping out how I want my shape to be, and I did want it to be more winged out, and so that's what I'm doing right here. And now I'm taking a darker purple, and I'm just going to use that in my crease to add some more definition and also the outer part of my eye. And then I wanted to add this dark navy blue because it's going to go with my dress later on. And so I'm doing the same exact thing with this color, just packing it on the outer part and also into the crease and inner corner. And so I was so nervous to do this look, guys, just because I haven't done bubbles on my face since the show. If you didn't know, I was on the James Charles show, and yeah, it was a big disaster for me. I'm gonna take this Anastasia primer to go ahead and cut the crease, and then I'm packing on this glitter all over my lid. This is a NYX glitter, it's so beautiful. And then taking a white pencil, I used that in my inner part of my waterline, and I used the same exact mattes on my lower lash line as we did the top eyeshadow. And now doing my winged liner. But anyways, you guys did create the Bubble Queen, so she means a lot to me now, so this is why I wanted to do this look for you guys. I applied my lashes, and now I'm going in with this sparkly white shade for my inner corner to add a nice pop. I'm taking this Kaleidos contour kit and going to go ahead and chisel out my face. This was my first time using this product, and it works so good. It really chisels everything out. So if you need a good contour palette, this one's great. And now taking this Hourglass blush all over my cheeks just for a pink base, because we are going to be adding some more pink later. So moving on to the bubble look, I first started off with the eyeshadows that I used on my eyes. So I'm taking that blue color, that navy blue color, and packing that on my cheeks, and then adding some yellow because there is a lot of yellow in bubbles, and then pink. Now I'm starting off by mapping out where I want my bubbles to be just to make sure everything looks good. So I'm using my MAC pencil per usual in the shade white. And this is just personal preference. Draw them wherever you want. You could literally put them all over your face if you want. And then I'm just taking a small brush and coloring them in with those same bubble eyeshadow colors. Then taking the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. It's a water activated paint, and I'm using that to highlight the areas of the bubble to make them look more realistic. And this is also just personal preference. Just add highlights until you think it looks good. And then in the inside of the bubbles, I do like to do like a little line and some dots to make it look like an actual bubble, because if you pay attention to bubbles, that's what they have inside of them. Oh my gosh, how many times did I just say bubbles? I feel like a lot. But look at them, they're just coming to life and they look so cute. Oh my god. Now, I didn't feel like the look was extra enough, so I'm taking some rhinestones and I'm putting those in my brows just to add a little sparkle. I don't know, I just wanted to add something, so I added this. But later on, when you take them off, don't rip them off like I did because it hurts. Use some makeup remover. For lips, I'm doing a nude lip, going in with my Alamar Cosmetics lip liner and Birthday Suit. Such a good color. You guys know I had to do a nude because I'm always wearing nudes. It's like what most of my lipstick collection is. I didn't feel like I had enough rhinestones in my brows, so right here I'm just adding a different kind of rhinestone. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but the other ones are kind of rainbow and this one is more silver. And now I'm just topping off my lipstick with this lip gloss from Fenty called Diamond Milk, and it has a really pretty blue reflect to it, so it adds to the bubble look. You guys, I can't believe I almost forgot to highlight. So I already got dressed and did my hair, but I'm just highlighting the highest points of my face with my Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette. Now for my crown, I did a little DIY to this cheapy princessy crown. These were the only ones I could find unless they were super expensive. So I just took the cheap one, add some beads to it and paint and glue, and I got this crown right here. I like the beads because they look like actual bubbles. And so that's my bubble queen crown. I love it so much. And I also made a necklace, as you guys could see, out of the same beads. And you are all done with this look. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be everything for today's look. I hope that you guys enjoyed and you have a very happy Halloween. Hopefully next year I could do some more looks. I know I didn't do as many as I wanted to this year, but I hope that you guys enjoyed them. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, Britanyraquell, go ahead and subscribe so you could become a bubble babe. I make videos every week for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!